Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. We're still socked in by fog and cold. I think the low was 41 last night, which actually was just a few hours ago. All right, I digress. Last night I prepared Lebanese red lentil soup with veggies. It hit the spot on one of these gloomy, cold nights. Yeah. I played with it. I had fun with it. Yeah. All right. Today and tonight, I'm doing kind of double duty. I'm going to be doing the B word. Baking. Not bread, not pasta. Pasta's technically not baking, but you know what I mean. I am doing gooey brownie pie. I found this recipe a few weeks ago, and since Thanksgiving, I have been having a sweet tooth. And if you know me, I will eat my weight in sugar or sugary goodies to get rid of the sweet tooth. So yeah, gooey brownie pie. And then I'm doing one of Robin's favorites tonight. And yes, she is coming over for dinner after work. Swiss steak, but with a kind of a big twist. Let's get to it. And I'm going to get to the big twist right away. I am substituting pork in place of the beef. Pork is a heck of a lot cheaper. Yeah, all right. So we got pork, kosher salt, black pepper, oil. It's garlic day, onion, carrot, a can of petite cut tomatoes, some flour for dredging, some tomato paste, beef broth, good old Worcestershire sauce. I only use Leon Perrins, Spanish paprika, ground thyme, dried basil, Mediterranean, and dried oregano, also Mediterranean. For the baking session, we got butter, we got sugar, we got Hershey's cocoa, good old Mexican vanilla, flour, just a little bit of salt, a couple of large eggs, a pre-made chocolate crust, and good old Nestle's semi-sweet morsels. So, just a bit of a busy day, but not bad. This brownie pie is actually really easy. And I'm really looking forward to this. Yummy! I love brownies, especially gooey brownies. Swiss steak, also a winner. I haven't mentioned yet, but it's Taco Tuesday. If you're going for tacos, don't forget to go to your favorite taqueria, wherever you live. So, on this gloomy day, again, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.